Oh my love. I really enjoyed you. You're so sweet. You were so interesting. You were so sweet. I enjoyed. What is this? Why are you acting up? Come on, hide.
Don't bother. I already know everything.
Babe.
I already know everything.
Baby, wake up. I had a terrible dream.
What about the dream?
I dreamt of when my husband came back and he caught us.
Come on, baby. Your husband is not coming back for any time soon now. I think he told me.
Oh my God, I felt... Jesus Christ. My husband. My husband. I don't know. Lillian!
Ma!
Lillian, come. Lie down here. Come, stand up. Lie down. Hold her. Pretend you'll be her. See, Lillian, listen to me. He's your boyfriend. Do you get that? I don't know, just he's your boyfriend. Do you get that? He's your boyfriend. Honey? Hi, honey, welcome. When I was about to call you on the phone. And tell you what our housemate is doing. Can you imagine? Can you imagine what Lillian is doing in our house? It's because of the way you used to give her free hand. Look at what she's doing. It has gotten to a point where Lillian will bring in a man into our house and then lie on our couch. I don't know what you got what I'm saying. Lillian is now becoming so sassy in my own house. Honey, you're not saying anything. I'm just talking to you about what our housemate did and you're quiet. I'm telling you, we need to get her out of this house. We need to get Lillian out of this building. Stand from there! Stand from my couch!
You brought this guy in here.
No, Lillian did. Lillian was the one. I have been in this house. I have been trying to raise my... You just said you were not listening. If not, you would have heard my voice from outside when you knocked the first time. Yes.
So you're not the one who brought this man here?
Me? Babe, now, come on. How on earth would you even imagine that? How would you think I would bring a man into our matrimonial home? It's not possible.
What are you doing here?
I was passing and they told me to come and do work.
Which work? Who brought you here?
Mr. Man, listen.
Who brought you here?
Can you let me talk to the man?
Honey?
Are you going to tell me the truth? I expect you to tell me nothing but the truth. You are in my house. What are you doing here?
She brought you, right? No, she brought you. Obviously, honey. Why are you even stressing this? Why are you stressing? They brought into my home. This is not nice. I know how much I have invested on this our maid. She brings in so many.
I know everything that's happening in my house.
Same here. I am the wife of the house. I know what's happening. I know that she's bringing in different men into our house, and this is the last time you will try it. Leave my house. What are you going? Leave my house.
Stand there. Go back there. Are you now the man of the house?
No.
Is it in your place to ask him to leave?
No. I was waiting for you to say something.
And I was saying that I'm aware of everything that is happening in my house.
Okay.
Let me tell you the mistake that you have been making, in case you don't know.
Okay.
You see, all this time that Lillian has been working with us, you have been nothing but unfair, arrogant, rude towards her. You have treated her badly for all the time that she has been working here with us. But guess what? I decided to play the other side of that game. I have been so nice to Lillian. In fact, I brought her close and took her like my sister. I have given her things that you are not even aware of. Lillian, am I right or not?
You're right, sir.
Lillian already called me earlier in the day and told me what was happening here. Yes. She told me that you brought a man into the house. Didn't you ask yourself how come I'm back at this time? Is this my usual time of coming back?
I was about asking.
You were about asking. You were busy trying to set her up for something that is your own game. Babe, why are you doing this? What have I not done for you as a husband? Have I not shown you enough love? Have I not shown you enough care? How do you go to the extent of bringing a man into our matrimonial home? Does this make any sense to you?
It does not make sense at all. It does not make sense.
You, are you a man?
Yes.
Are you a man? You are not a man. You are not a man. You are nothing but a weakling. Because if you were a real man, you would go and find your own woman and bring her into your home. Take care of her. Nurture her like I have nurtured her, and you saw her and you found her attractive. But instead, here you are, poaching on another man's woman. And you think this is life. You think you are enjoying yourself. You have the guts to come into another man's house to come and lay with his wife. And you call yourself a man. You are a weakling.
I'm so sorry.
You are nothing but a piece of rag. Get out of my house. Get out before I change my mind and have you arrested. So you, what do you expect to be your fate now?
Forgiveness.
Forgiveness.
Yes. I know.
Do you know how long I've known about this? Do you know that I'm aware that this is not the first time? It's not the second time. I have asked Lillian here to talk to you on several occasions about stopping this. Is it, has she not stopped? Did she not talk to you about this behavior?
I did.
Did she talk to you or not? Did she tell you that Oga will be very angry if he catches you doing this?
Yes, she did.
Did she tell you to stop or not?
Honey, this place is so hot. Sonny.
It's so hot.
Yes.
Okay, fine. You can excuse yourself forever.
No. Honey,
Yes.
Honey,
Yes.
honey, if there is no sin, there will be no forgiveness. You have to forgive.
Yes, and forgiveness is divine.
Exactly.
I am not divinity. I'm human. You understand?
Yes.
We've gone beyond redemption. We've gone beyond the line of forgiveness at this point in time. You have done this consistently. It shows that it is in your blood. I cannot anymore. Please, I don't want to lose my temper on you.
I beg you.
Get out.
We talk to my husband. I would give you some more money.
Excuse me.
Honey.
Get out of my house.
Okay, but please, is there any way?
Get out of my house.
If I did, I'll forgive. Baby, I'm talk to my husband.
Please,
I should leave.
use the door.
I don't have anywhere to go to.
Wherever it is, you can sleep on the street for all I care.
Oh my God, honey, that's not nice. That's
I will
bad.
gather some things and bring for you. Don't worry, Lillian will find you.
Are you
Go,
okay?
get out.
I am your wife.
Punish you and wife there, idiots. Thank you. Don't feel bad, you did the right thing. Thank you.
It's a pity.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.